So, in Bridge Academy grading system, first, second and third grade, we are going to be talking about perspective in a very detailed manner. But throughout our art life, perspective is going to be a very, very important aspect to show depth of field. So what is perspective? Perspective is objects of the same size seem to be becoming smaller as they recede from us. The depth seems to be becoming lesser as they recede from us. The contrast seems to be reducing and almost merging when it's very far away. The color also changes. So we are going to be doing about that. So what we are doing is we are going to be doing a very light drawing. We have established the horizon and then we start drawing from the distance. There will be less detail far away. There will be more detail as it comes towards us. We establish the road and then start drawing the trees. The trees which are closer are very large, and the trees seem to become smaller as they recede from us. The detailing is also less. The light is coming from above and right. So the top will be lighter and the bottom will be darker. We start from the distance where the gray is very light and the detailing is also less. As the trees come closer, there is more detailing and the drawing also becomes darker. The light is coming from the right. So the right side of the trunk and the branches have light and the left side has the shadow. We have to be very careful about that. And we also have to see that the trunk and the branches are big when it grows out of the ground and as it grows out of the tree, and they become thinner as they grow out. We always have to remember that. That's a very, very important point to remember. The trees become darker as they come towards us. The closest tree has the maximum detail and the branches grow out thinner, and the shadow is on the left side and the light is on the right side because the light is coming from the right. The branches casting shadow on the trunk is also very carefully noted down. The detailing of the leaves are also very carefully rendered and it's very dark. Even the road and the sand, the detailing becomes more as it comes towards us and the lines are darker. The trees cast a shadow on the road, that too will have to be shown. And we draw some vehicles